Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. Appreciate you tuning in. Remember, like and subscribe to our channel. You never know when I'm going to drop a gold nugget. Could be today, could be tomorrow, you never know. So, customer supplied parts, we've covered that in the past. I want to approach it from a different angle though. We're going to talk about customer diagnosis or customer troubleshooting. Please do not hear me wrong, okay? There's so much information out there and so much of it is actually accurate and true that it's pretty easy sometimes to find out what the problem is, right? But in this particular case with this Jeep, customer brings in a Jeep, it's a project for him, and one of my technicians takes a look at it, does some testing and troubleshooting, comes back to the customer and says, Mr. Customer, here's the deal. You've got an internal fault problem inside your transmission. You need some transmission repairs to happen. Customer says, I believe it's a clutch. I want a new clutch. Will you all put a new clutch in? We say, absolutely, Mr. Customer, we'll put a new clutch in. So my technician just pulled the transmission, put a new clutch in. Got it all put back together, and guess what? We still got the same issues. We still need a transmission repair, okay? So when you look at this clutch, there's actually very little problem with it. It's almost brand new in thickness, and this is the old clutch. So it's frustrating is not the word that I'm looking for, but it's always a challenge sometimes dealing with somebody that feels like they already know what the problem is and they're unwilling to hear what the solution actually is because it's not a solution that they've considered or considered to be a possibility. So when you bring your car to a trustworthy repair shop, understand two things can happen. Understand shops have human technicians in them and humans make mistakes. We make mistakes. Not even going to lie about that. Not even going to pretend that don't happen. We're human and to err is human. We try to mitigate the mistakes and we try to minimize them so that they very, very, very rarely happen. The caveat to that is though, why do you or why would you as a paying customer go to a shop for a professional opinion, a professional assessment of what's going on with the vehicle, then begin to argue with the technician and say it can't be possible whenever he's actually taken the time to do the inspection, to do the testing, to figure out this is the exact problem, okay? It's not fun for a shop to take somebody's money knowing that it's not going to fix the problem. So just consider that. Not all shops can diagnose it properly the first time. We've made mistakes in the past, it happens, right? But in this case, we did diagnose it correctly. The customer argued, said it couldn't be. Last night on a Buick Rendezvous, we was towed in yesterday. Customer, we do a compression check. It's only doing 20 pounds of compression on the engine. The vehicle will not start. We cannot get the vehicle to start. It did not start when it was towed. It was towed here because it would not start. Customer says there's no way. It's not possible that my engine has problems and needs repairs or I need a replacement engine. She's convinced that absolutely no way possible that she needs an engine. And yet we actually did the testing. We took the pressure gauges and we checked compression, and the compression's way, way low. The vehicle won't start. So just be mindful of that we care, that we want to educate you on exactly what's going on with your vehicle. We love to show you the test results. We love to show you how we got to the conclusion of why your vehicle needs the repairs. We want to take the pain away. Take the pain away from a vehicle repair. Two things happen with vehicle repair. It becomes inconvenient and it becomes scary because it's unknown, right? So is it scary or is it that you just haven't found somebody that you can trust. We'd like to be that one that you can trust, so we begin to show you and we tell you of a process of how it's going to work. We're going to bring it in, we're going to assess it, we're going to then give you a quote. We're going to give you a couple different options if that's possible. You know, maybe in this case we would have given the guy an option of a brand new transmission if it's possible to get one. And then we would have given him an option of a rebuilt transmission, so that he has two different price points. Which one does he want? Which one has more warranty and less warranty, right? We're going to attempt to help him with the financing part. If the money becomes an issue, we have some promotional financing programs that are super motivated to help you be back in your car, right? And most of all, we just want to take the convenience and make that where it's so easy for you, where you can communicate with us, and we'll show you videos and pictures through our digital video and vehicle inspection forms, and we'll just take all the pain of it away so that it's convenient for you and easy. We simply ask that you trust, and we will prove to be trustworthy. And I know that I'll see you in this very next video.